So it's very important for early intervention with this nutrition for these special need children, because I explained to my last episode that how important nutrition is, because if it's one is missing, if it's magnesium is missing, magnesium again it's like links with another 300 pathways in the body,
All
metabolism.
right.
So that is missing. If somehow zinc is missing, if you are not now not having iron in the body, if you are not having vitamins, enough vitamin C, if you are not having zinc in the body, then that body is collapsed.
Yeah.
Then
In the last episode, you mentioned about zinc. Today, you talk about the magnesium. So you talk about uh, the minerals. So how can we know that what is lacking in our body? What minerals, what compounds are lacking in our body? What do we need to know? How can we find out like what is lacking in our body? And how can we overcome it?
normally, if you have fruits,
Yes,
it can help you with your minerals.
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the fruits for. Fruits comes for vitamins and minerals, but we are mostly, when we talk to the parent and everybody, they are mostly worried for their protein,
Yes,
bone health, because the advertisement and everything is showing so
yes,
much that
yes.
strong bones, so
Yeah.
a lot of protein and have a lot of what else? Uh,
Muscles,
yeah, but they're
protein
not
is,
showing that
yeah.
have fruits, and one fruit can sort out your mineral problem easily. You
And
have
what about the dry fruit?
ex- dry food is different because the way it's processed. Like I would never recommend for my special need children to have
Right,
dry
okay.
food. Now, there is something like if you dry your fruits at home for whatever
So
the
I mean the
reason,
dry fruit like almond, pistachios,
almond is okay.
nuts.
But normally they can have seeds. So seeds, normally children have, it's very rare children having allergies with seeds. So seeds are another good thing. If you can manage, you can grind it with, mix it with their milk, mix it with their fruits, sorry, with
Yep.
their meal, and you can easily give it to them. So it's easy. Yeah, it's
What
another
kind
good
of
source for.
seeds do you recommend?
Very good is pumpkin seeds are very good,
Pumpkin seed,
pumpkin
yeah.
seeds. And then sunflower seeds are very good. So they're very two easy seeds which you can find most of the anywhere in the world actually. Yeah, pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
for a child. So there are holistic ways as well, which people like us we do, and can help children. So parent can just sort out by giving some probiotics, some supplements, of keep offering them, little by little new food, and also sort out their emotional things as well.
Yeah, talking about that, you do so many things. Can you let us know like what are the things that you do? What are the